Space is beautiful, majestic even, but beneath its silence and shimmering constellations lies a hidden violence that shapes galaxies, destroys worlds, and challenges the limits of physics. In this documentary, we explore 6 of the most terrifying forces in the universe, phenomena so powerful that even the bravest astronauts and the strongest spacecraft would stand no chance. These are not scenes from science fiction. They are real, active, and unfolding across the cosmos at this very moment. Let us begin our journey into the abyss. 1. Black holes, the ultimate cosmic predators. Black holes are among the most mysterious and dangerous objects known to science. Born from the death of massive stars, they form when stellar cores collapse under their own gravity. But gravity here doesn't behave like anything we experience on Earth. Instead, it becomes so intense that the fabric of space bends inward, creating a region where escape becomes impossible, not even for light. This is the event horizon, a boundary that marks the point of no return. Once you cross it, nothing you do, not thrust, not force, not light speed travel, can help you escape. Time itself behaves differently near a black hole. To an outside observer, you seem to freeze in place, slowing down as you approach the event horizon. But from your own perspective, you fall inward as normal. But the most horrifying effect is known as spaghettification. Because gravity increases dramatically with distance, your feet would be pulled more strongly than your head. Your body would stretch and thin, like a strand of spaghetti. Within seconds, your atoms would be torn apart. Then there are supermassive black holes, millions or billions of times more massive than our Sun. Nearly every galaxy, including our own, has one at its center. Ours is called Sagittarius A star, a behemoth with a mass of 4 million suns. It sits quietly for now, but its surrounding gravity well shapes the entire galaxy. If a star drifts too close, it can be ripped apart, sending spirals of plasma arcing into space. Black holes are cosmic traps. They cannot be bargained with. They cannot be resisted. They are silent predators, waiting for anything unfortunate enough to stray near. 2. Neutron stars, the density of madness. When stars like the Sun die, they may leave behind white dwarfs. But when stars far larger collapse, they don't form black holes, not always. Instead, they become neutron stars, some of the strangest objects in the universe. A neutron star is astonishingly small, only about 20 kilometers across, but it can weigh more than our Sun. That means a typical neutron star packs the mass of Mount Everest into a volume smaller than a city. The density is unimaginable. A teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh around 1 billion tons. Your body, if brought near such an object, would be crushed instantly by its gravity. And neutron stars don't just sit still, they spin. Some rotate hundreds of times per second, turning into pulsars that sweep beams of radiation across space like cosmic lighthouses. Then there are magnetars, the kings of neutron stars. They possess magnetic fields 1,000 trillion times stronger than Earth's. If you were even 1 million kilometers away, their magnetic field could scramble your atoms, disrupt your nervous system, and tear apart molecular bonds. Computer systems would fail instantly. Metal could distort. Your own brain chemistry would collapse into chaos before you even understood what was happening. Neutron stars are paradoxes, tiny yet titanic, stable yet catastrophic. They show us how matter behaves when pushed to its absolute extremes. 3. Cosmic rays, invisible bullets of the universe. Unlike the dramatic spectacle of a black hole or the violent magnetism of a magnetar, cosmic rays are subtle. They are invisible, silent, and constant. A cosmic ray is typically a proton, or sometimes a heavier nucleus, traveling at nearly the speed of light. They originate from supernova, star collisions, and jets from black holes. These particles strike Earth all the time, but our magnetic field and atmosphere protect us. In space, however, the story is different. For astronauts, cosmic rays are one of the most dangerous long-term threats. These high-energy bullets can pass through spacecraft walls, through spacesuits, and through human bodies with ease. When they hit DNA, they can break strands, cause mutations, or kill cells outright. Over long missions, cosmic rays increase the risk of cancer, neurological damage, and radiation sickness. They can even cause temporary flashes of light inside astronauts' eyes, particles striking the retina directly. Cosmic rays also threaten technology. A single particle can flip a bit in a computer's memory, causing a single event upset, which can crash satellites or corrupt navigation systems. They are the silent assassins of the cosmos, unseen, unpredictable, and unstoppable. 4. Solar flares and coronal mass ejections. The sun's wrath. Our sun is the source of life on Earth, but it also possesses the power to erase our technological civilization. Solar flares are massive explosions on the sun's surface. They can release more energy in a single moment than every nuclear weapon ever detonated on Earth, combined. More dangerous, however, are coronal mass ejections, or CMEs, huge clouds of charged particles thrown into space at millions of kilometers per hour. If Earth is in the path of a CME, we may be struck by a geomagnetic storm. Earth has experienced this before. The Carrington event of 1859 sent telegraph systems into chaos. Sparks flew from wires, papers caught fire, and auroras glowed near the equator. If a Carrington-level event happened today, the results could be catastrophic. Electrical grids could collapse worldwide, satellites could fail, GPS and communication networks could fall silent, airplanes would lose navigation, financial systems could shut down, internet infrastructure would struggle to recover. In a world that depends on electricity, a solar storm could send us back decades in seconds. Our magnetic field protects us, but only to a point.
5. Exoplanetary nightmares, hot Jupiters, and rogue planets. The universe is home to worlds stranger than anything we could imagine. Among them are the hot Jupiters, giant gas planets orbiting extremely close to their stars. Their temperatures can reach thousands of degrees Celsius. Some experience winds traveling over 5,000 kilometers per hour. On others, molten iron condenses in the atmosphere, falling as metallic rain. Then there are super-Earths, with pressurized atmospheres so thick that standing on their surface would crush a human instantly. Or diamond planets made of carbon under unimaginable pressure. But perhaps most terrifying are rogue planets, worlds without a star. These planets wander through interstellar space, frozen and dark, guided only by gravity. If a rogue planet entered our solar system, even without direct impact, it could destabilize planetary orbits. Earth could be thrown into deep space or dragged closer to the sun. Life would stand no chance. These alien worlds remind us that Earth is not normal. It is rare. It is safe. It is balanced in a fragile, perfect zone where life can flourish. 6. The vacuum and cold of space, the most basic horror. Among all cosmic threats, the simplest is also the chilling. Space itself. Space is a vacuum, utterly devoid of air. If exposed without a suit, the air in your lungs would expand violently, tearing tissue. Water in your blood would boil due to the lack of pressure. Within 10 seconds, you would lose consciousness. Your body would freeze, not instantly, but slowly as heat radiates into the void. There is no sound in space, no wind, no up or down, no place to stand, no life to hear you call for help. It is the ultimate isolation, silence in every direction, stretching forever. And the temperature? Near absolute zero, the coldest possible state. It will not freeze you instantly, but it will claim everything eventually. In many ways, space itself is the greatest predator of all. Conclusion: Earth, our only safe haven. When we imagine the universe, we often think of beauty, nebulae, galaxies, starfields, and shimmering rings of cosmic dust. But the truth is far more complex. The universe is also hostile. It is violent, it is indifferent, and it is filled with phenomena so powerful that we can barely comprehend them. Yet here on Earth, we are protected. Our magnetic field shields us from cosmic rays. Our atmosphere absorbs deadly radiation. Our distance from the sun keeps us safe from extremes of heat and cold. Our gravity is gentle enough to live and grow in. Our sun is stable. Our orbit is calm. Earth is not just home, it is shelter, a sanctuary in a universe filled with dangers. As we look outward and dream of exploring the stars, we must remember how rare and precious this planet is. So the question remains, which of these cosmic dangers do you think is the most terrifying of all? If you enjoyed this deep dive into the universe's deadliest phenomena, don't forget to like the video, share it, and subscribe to WiseUse for more clear and cinematic science explanations.